Good day for everybody. Today we are going to learn another poem in your literature syllabus, that is The Eagle by Alfred Lord Tennyson. Alfred Lord Tennyson was born in 1809 and in 1850 he was appointed as the royal poet or the poet laureate by the Queen Victoria. Before we learn the poem, we are going to study some of the dictions in the poem. Clasp, grasp or hold tightly with hands. Crag, mountain, rock face or cliff. Crooked, curved, bent. Azure, bright blue color, color of the bright blue sky. Wrinkled, curved, bent. Crawls, creeps. Thunderbolt, grasp or hold tightly with hands. The poet talks about a regal eagle or royal eagle. The first line suggests that the eagle makes a grand plunge towards the sea. The action suggests the sudden abrupt action over his prey, which symbolizing the power of the powerful over the powerless. The eagle shows an emphasis on appreciating nature, usually eagle associated with courage, strength, and immortality. When it comes to the literary techniques, personification, he clasped the crag with crooked hands. The idea that the eagle seems to be much more powerful than the just ordinary simple bird. Visual imagery, Asia world he stands. Metaphor, wrinkle sea beneath him crawls, symbolizes the ordinary people who are in the down of the society. Alliteration, lonely lands, emphasize the appearance and actions of the eagle. Similarly, it creates it creates the existence of the eagle by suggesting the way he grasps onto the mountain cliff. Hyperbole, close to the sun in lonely lands. The eagle is not a simple one. The poet highlights its majestic royal nature. Mountain walls, techniques of allusion, a story of the Icarus, sharp incline of the rock and its inaccessibility for the ordinary people. A thunderbolt he falls suggests the speed with gravitational acceleration. It connotes Thor is a hammer-wielding god associated with thunder, lightning, and storms. Some of a small activity. Where is the eagle as described in the first stanza? Eagle is on the mountain cliff. What are the words used by the poet to describe the appearance and actions of the birds? Crooked hands, clasp the crag with crooked hands. Like a thunderbolt, he falls. Write down the phrases which suggest the eagle is in a higher position. He watches from his mountain walls. What is the word the poet used to describe the movement of the sea? Wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. How does the poet indicate the abrupt swooping down of the bird? Like a thunderbolt, he falls. Some of the major concerns: superiority of animals over man, who prides himself as the most intelligent being on the earth; freedom, fate, power of nature, sheer beauty, and the autocratic leadership. When it comes to the dictions, lonely lands, aspect of nature, lack of social contact, qualities of the eagle, aloof, isolated, social distance; Asia world, freedom, free bird; wrinkled sea, slow motion, waiting. These are the major concerns that we need to study under this poem. Eagle, as I said earlier, courage, strength, immortality. Nature as a power. Every line has a powerful imagery. First one, crooked hands. Number two, close to the sun. Number three, Asia world. Number four, wrinkled sea beneath him crawls. Number five, mountain walls. Number six, like a thunderbolt he falls. So every line has a powerful imagery. Therefore, this poem mainly concerns about the theme of power. Loneliness is coupled with majestic and powerful existence of human beings. Eagle as a symbol of power, a parallelism between authoritative man and the eagle, the destructive nature of power, power supremacy and isolation. Thank you very much. We'll meet on next video also.